Need the top 10 items from a dataset of 1,000,000. Sorting everything first is the wrong approach. When you only need the k smallest or largest elements, heapq.nlargest and nsmallest are purpose-built for this. They find what you need without fully sorting the data. The sorted approach orders every element first, then slices. That is wasteful when you only care about a handful of values. The complexity difference explains why. Sorting is O of n log n. Every element gets ordered. heapq runs in O of n log k, where k is just how many elements you want. When k is 10 and n is 1,000,000, the log term alone gives you roughly 20 times less work. heapq also wins with dynamic data. When items arrive incrementally, heapq.push adds each in O of log n time, maintaining the heap property automatically without resorting. This makes heapq ideal for real-time priority queues, event schedulers, or any live data stream that keeps growing. But when you need all elements in sorted order, or you want to access them by index, just use sorted. It is cleaner, more readable, and perfectly efficient for full sort use cases. Use heapq for top K problems and dynamic data. Use sorted when you need everything ordered. Like and subscribe for more Python tips. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.